In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log into QuickBooks Online and apply discounts to your invoices. Let's dive into this straightforward process that will help you handle your business transactions with ease. First, you need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. To do that, fire up your Chrome browser and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, enter your credentials and sign in to access your account dashboard. The sign-in process is typically quick and hassle-free, granting you access to a suite of tools that streamline your accounting needs. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the invoicing section where the magic happens. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Sales and then select Invoices. This is the area where you can manage all your billing-related tasks. If you want to create a brand new invoice for a customer, click on New Invoice. However, if you're working with an existing invoice, simply click on the one you need to modify. Once you're on the invoice page, it's time to add the products or services you're billing your customer for. Begin by filling in your customer's details. Then, list the items or services they purchased. QuickBooks makes it easy to find and add these from your inventory or service list, allowing you to keep everything organized. Now, let's focus on applying a discount to this invoice. To do this, locate the bottom of the list where your items are displayed and click on Add Line. In the Product Service column, find the option labeled Discount. If you don't see an option for a discount, don't worry. You can create it as a new service item named Discount. With the discount line added, it's time to enter the discount amount. You need to input this as a negative figure. Think $1,000 if you plan to offer a $10 discount. QuickBooks allows flexibility, so if you prefer to apply a discount percentage, you can do that too, as long as it's supported. After you've entered your discount, take a moment to review the total amount of the invoice. You'll observe that the discount has effectively reduced the total, giving your customer a detailed breakdown of their final payment amount. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, the next step is to save your work. You'll see an option to Save and Send, which lets you finalize the invoice and email it directly to your customer. If you're not quite ready to send it out, you can simply click Save and revisit it later. This option provides you with the flexibility to double-check details before making it official. And there you have it. You've successfully created, discounted, and saved an invoice in QuickBooks Online. With a bit of practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to manage your invoicing process smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!